What's going on, everybody? It's Dakota again for First Gear Media, and today I'm going to show you one of the best first mods you can do to your E46 BMW. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can take apart your headlights so we can paint them, and also we're going to show you how we can restore them. But in this video you don't have to take the headlights off. I'm going to show you how you can just get them to this point right here. Starting off on this side, since I have the other one taken apart, all you have to do is use a flathead screwdriver. There's going to be a clip for this bottom one right here on the side. You just pull that up and it'll just pry right out like this. So I'm going to set that to the side here. Then up top you have your weather stripping, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then on the driver's side there's another one on the bottom. Just pry those up and this will come out. After you have that off, you're going to get the same flathead and pry up these. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3. And after you get all of those popped out, you're going to have to take out your turn signal, and it's pretty easy. See, this is right here what you're going to have to take out. I don't know if it'll focus, but it's just a Phillips head, and it's in here, down there. So you just got to stick a Phillips head in there, turn it all the way loose, and then pick it up, and it honestly just pops right out. Take off the bulb, and then you're about to take this off. And here we are. As you can see, the lens is off and the full headlight is exposed. Now what we're going to be doing is removing this lens right here, and same kind of deal, just simple, 4 clips. It'll pull right out, and then we can paint this, and then we can shade those. This would also be a great opportunity to put halos in. I want to do that, I just don't have them with me, so we're just going to black them out for today. Also, when you have the lenses off, you might as well restore them. As you can see, this passenger side one was super oxidized, so I'm going to take care of that. The driver's side looks crystal clear. I just restored that right now. Plus, the nice thing about these lenses that you can pop off, if you want to go ahead and wipe down the inside of the headlight, it'll really make the headlight look nice and crystal clear. And for the next part, what you're going to want to do is get a trash bag and just obviously mask around the area. And then you can either take out or just wrap up your high beam bulb. I just wrapped it up because it's just easier to do. And then just put one little piece of tape right there. So when you're done with the, this is if you're using Plasti Dip, you can just peel it all off. It just makes life easier. But if you want to use actual paint, you can mask it off. Either one works good. But I'm going to go ahead and get started spraying, and then I'll show you the results. Alright, so I just finished up with my last coat, so here's the finished product of blacking it out, and it looks pretty good. I also painted that little shroud that goes over this, so what I'm going to do is take all this off and reinstall the shroud and show you how it comes out. Here it is, everybody. This is the end product with everything put back together, and it makes the car look super aggressive. I also ended up painting my grille black. As far as the passenger headlight, just for me, I'm going to have to get a new lens because this one's just way too dirty even after restoration, but nonetheless, this side came out perfect, and it just looks so good. I'm about to turn on the headlight so you can see how it looks. Here it is with the headlights on. You can't really see it that well just because it is daylight, but the visibility is still really well. I'll turn on the high beams later on, but it looks super good still, both sides. Alright, everybody, that's where I'm going to go ahead and end today's video. I really hope this helped you out with your E46, and it really helped me out with mine. But if you enjoyed the video, please help me out with a like and a subscribe. It really means a lot to me, and you're going to see a lot more content on this car coming pretty soon, so I'll see you all in the next one.